They know how I would like it to be clean. The customer service as well is excellent. 5-star for me. I've been living in Dubai for a year now. I live with my husband in a 1 BHK apartment. When our work got too demanding, it's been a little difficult to clean regularly. About 3 months in, we realized we needed help. My husband, being Indian, he is fully aware of urban company services. So he told me I should check out the professionals here in Dubai, the urban company professionals here in Dubai. One thing that just made me decide is, aside that the prices were affordable and reasonable, the user friendliness or the experience I had with the app, from the booking to the professionals that they send over and to the cleaning experience, the communication between me and my professionals, just the app itself being very, I have clear, transparent communication with the professionals. If I have some concerns or questions, the customer service as well is excellent. Because I reschedule a lot. Unexpectedly, I have to go out for a personal errand and I have to reschedule. And it was really close from the time they're sending the professional. So forgive me. But, they're very accommodating. They would reschedule it and the professionals would understand. And then now I have regular professionals with urban company because they know how I would like it to be cleaned. So yeah, I'm thankful for that.